The very first skill that is not going to be groundbreaking or revolutionary, but it is so significant, it can drastically help you lower your stress. And that is, drumroll, exercise. I know. We all know exercise is good for us. We know it releases positive endorphins and it does all these wonderful things. And that is awesome for you guys. I personally don't exercise because I'm allergic to it. What happens when I start to exercise is my heart starts pounding. I feel like I can't catch my breath. My face turns red. I break out in a sweat. Things are hurting all over. And if you look up an allergic reaction on the internet, those are the exact symptoms. Exact. Sometimes it's hard to get the motivation to do what you know you should be doing. And how I got myself to exercise was I had a friend and she was my food buddy, and we used to make fun of healthy people and eat junk food. And it was a lot of fun. And then she turned on me and got healthy and started running. And I finally went to her and I said, like, what happened? And she told this to me, and it's just the greatest thing for when you're not motivated to do something positive. And she says, well, I just decided I was never going to want to, so I might as well do it anyway. So I tried it. I was like, okay, I'm never going to want to exercise, so I might as well do it anyway. And then it worked so well that I started spilling over in other areas of my life. Like, I'm never going to want to work, so I might as well work anyway. I'm never going to want to be your friend. So yeah, it just keeps going. But that, when you're thinking about exercise or just little steps that you can take, just remember, you're not going to want to do it. If you wait till you want to do it, it's never going to happen. You have to make a choice. So when it comes to this course as well, even if you just pick one thing, one technique, like exercise, and you start making that effort, that right there is enough to propel you to get momentum. And you'll find that it starts spilling over in other areas of your life, and you're able to get a little more control over yourself and your mental health.